2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.